I just found another way to use Google View 3 for free. This is a brand new 100% effective method. While it still exists, hurry up and make the most of it. Some time ago, we made another one. How to use it for free. The video for VL3. The link is in the description box below. Before we start, please make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. To get more information on AI tools like this, first enter Google Whiz in the search bar. Enter a simple page. Before proceeding, you need to know one important thing. Google View 3, only accounts above Google Pro, can be used normally. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. Some time ago, we made another video on how to use Vio 3 for free, which includes how to obtain a Google Pro account. The video link is in the description box below. So before you come back, be sure to watch these tutorials and set up your free Google Pro account. Once you have obtained a free Google Pro account, after logging into the VIDs page on the right, you will find the most important generation button. Here, Google set 2 traps. Vio 3 can only be used with a US IP. Okay, let's turn on the VPN. You can use any VPN you like. But note that I personally don't trust most of them. VPN providers, especially the free ones, please do not use your main Gmail or any account related to payments. Using a reliable paid VPN is usually a safer choice. Now, this video is for demonstration purposes only. Therefore, I will use a free VPN and a backup Gmail account. Please assume the risk yourself. Even with the VPN on, the situation still hasn't changed. How could this happen? This is Google's second trap. You need to switch your interface to English. This is very important. Only then will you see the video generation feature. There will be 2 situations where the English interface is not used. The VPN can still generate videos because there's no indication. So we think the model being used should be Vio 2. And using a VPN, you can choose both Vio 2 and Vio 3. If you haven't clicked the like button and subscribe to our channel, please take a moment to click on it. It really helps small creators like me grow and motivate me to bring more valuable tutorials like this. How to change the language interface in Google With. Click on the profile picture at the top right to manage your Google account. After entering, in the left sidebar under Profile, scroll down and find the language setting in the web version's general preferences. Preferred language, choose English. United States once again into Google VS, mission accomplished. So far. Now everyone's most concerned question is, how many videos can be produced? In Google With, a maximum of 20 videos can be generated per day. Other Vio 3 can produce a maximum of 10. How to use Google Viz. Directly search for Google Viz and click to enter. Another way is to enter your Google Drive. Yes, Google Drive. Let's take a look at the explanation of Gemini. Google Vids is an AI-based video production tool, mainly used to help users quickly and easily create informative videos related to work. It is part of Google Workspace, designed to make video production as simple as creating documents or presentations. In short, it can be used to create reports, video production, and other work. Many websites have these features. We mainly aim to use Vio 3. Interested friends can also give it a try. Use Vio 3 in Google Wix. There are 2 actions that are very important. It's very different from regular operations. When the video is generated, you will see the video preview on the screen. You will find there are no buttons to let you download it. At this point, you need to right-click on the video. Select Save As, and you can download and save it to your device. If you want to create the next video, a small window will pop up, asking if you want to keep the video. Click on Discard, but before that, make sure you've already saved the video. Next, enjoy the finished product of Vio 3. If you think this video is helpful, remember to like, subscribe, share, or leave a comment below.